Hi, this is Connie from Connie George Travel Associates bringing you Connie's Travel Minute. Today I want to talk to you about your carry-on bag. There are items that should absolutely be in your carry-on bag rather than in your check-in luggage. Some of the items include your passport or other proof of citizenship, travel documents, medications, electronics, jewelry, anything at all that's fragile, toiletries that you may need before you're reconnected with your luggage, spare glasses or contacts, a change of clothes, pen, hand sanitizer, tissues, and always make sure there's a luggage tag on that bag. There are other items that are more dependent on whether you're flying or you're boarding a cruise ship, headed to a resort, or the start of a tour. Ready to book your next great vacation? I'd love to work with you on that cruise or tour and to help you with tips for your trip. Contact me at Connie@cgta.com. I'm with Connie George Travel Associates. Take care.